5 ways snowflakes and human fingerprints are related. Unique patterns. No two snowflakes or fingerprints are exactly alike, showcasing nature's diversity. Formation influences. Both snowflakes and fingerprints are influenced by environmental factors during formation. Identity markers. Just as fingerprints are used for human identification, snowflake patterns can indicate atmospheric conditions. Complex structures. Both possess intricate designs, with snowflakes having symmetrical patterns and fingerprints having loops, whorls, and arches. Study and forensics. While fingerprints play a role in forensic science, snowflakes are studied to understand climate and atmospheric conditions.